Okay, the slash didn't take the landing. But it isn't the end of the world. That's a strong zip tie, oh my. That was pretty much holding everything on the back end. Can we fix that? Nope. Yeah, whatever. And I believe the spur gear come off, so let's just take a quick peek. Yeah, it did. Is that all? Yeah, that's all. I'll have her back up and running in no time. Give me my burnout. So the slash lasted like I don't know, 4 hours. Why did it do that? No way it's low voltage already. It's not warm. I tricked you. So I guess the big tires, don't really help, but we don't want to send it too hard or we'll lose our special gear. Okay, what's this? Okay. I mean, that took it pretty goddamn well, if you ask me. Easy, girl. Easy. I'm not done with you yet. All right, did the slash survive? No, it didn't. And I almost fucking took out the gears. All right, well, there you have it, folks.